Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Do It. From many days people are commenting on my command prompts video to make a video over command prompts basic introduction. So here I am with the command prompt basic introduction video. So first we need to learn how to open command prompt. There are three ways. The very first way is to go to start menu, then click all program. First you go to start menu, then click on all program, then search for accessories. After getting accessories, click on it. Then you need to search for command prompt. After getting accessories, you need to search for command prompt. Click on it. On single left click, command prompt window will be opened. So this is the first preface, or you may say interface of command prompt when you open CMD first time. So actually this video, the conversation of this video will be in two languages, English and Hindi, for your better understanding. So now to open command prompt, the second method is to type CMD in search box and pressing the enter key, command prompt in window will be opened. Or you may go through the run window to open the command prompt, typing their CMD and pressing on the OK button. Now this is the first interface, or you may say this is the first screen which appears when you open command prompt. So here it has been written the version of my computer, Microsoft Windows version 6.1.7601 and copyright Microsoft Corporation. Now अब इस C सेमीकोलन बैकस्लैश यूजर्स बैकस्लैश ACC इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका ये सिंपल मतलब है कि हम किस लोकेशन पर काम कर रहे हैं. इसका मतलब है कि C ड्राइव में एक फोल्डर है यूज़र्स के नाम से, उस यूज़र्स में एक फोल्डर है ACC के नाम से, तो हम लोग अभी उस डायरेक्टरी में एक्टिव हैं. सो वी आर एक्टिव इन द ACC डायरेक्टरी. If I want to explain it in more bit, so we'll first go to C, then to users, and then to ACC. So we are currently active to this directory now. Whatever we'll do, अगर हम इस डायरेक्टरी में फोल्डर बनाना चाहते हैं, कुछ भी करना चाहते हैं, तो हम इस लोकेशन को यूज़ करेंगे. दूसरा लोकेशन यूज़ करेंगे तो इस डायरेक्टरी में फ़ोल्डर नहीं बनेगा. और फोल्डर बनाने के लिए सबसे इजी कमांड है MD स्टैंड्स फॉर मेक डायरेक्टरी, and then we'll give a space followed by the name of the folder. So here I have given the name of the folder new. You can see here a new folder has been created. So what does this command mean? This command means that there is we are commanding to command prompt to make a new directory with the name new in this folder. Now अगर हमें इस डायरेक्टरी को रिमूव करना है तो सिंपल एक कमांड है RD, that means remove directory. So we will use remove directory space followed by the name of the folder. So here the name is new. Now suppose we need to go to, or we need to switch our directory. We use CLS command to clear all the above content. Suppose we need to go to desktop directory, I mean desktop folder. So what we need what we need to type, the command is simply we will type CD. CD stands for change directory space followed by the name of the directory. So here the name of the directory is desktop. After hitting the enter key, we will be on the desktop. Now अब हम जो भी फोल्डर बनाएंगे वो हमारे डेस्कटॉप पर बनेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई शो यू, इफ आई मेक अ फोल्डर MD space, the name of the folder is again new. On entering, you can see a folder has been created with the name new. Now what does this command mean? This command means ki we are commanding to command prompt to create a new folder with the name new in this location, on this location. To remove, we will simply use rd command. Now we use dir command to get all the names of all the directories, files, folders in a specific location. After dir, we press the enter key. On pressing the enter key, we get the names of the folders. So here control panel, then golden blossom list, then how to hide a specific drive, then a taskbar and a start menu properties. Now we'll again use cls command to clean the contents. Suppose we need to go back to the previous directory, that is acc, then we use cd dot command. Then again we can switch to desktop. If we use cd backslash, then we will be directly to the C drive. Now let me again go to desktop, and if we'll use cd backslash or cd slash, both means the same. See here, I will use earlier I have used cd backslash, now I will use cd slash. Then you can see the results are same. Now here we will use the exit command to exit from command prompt. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel and tap on the bell icon for the latest updates from our side. If there is any problem, please ask the questions in the comment box. Thanks.